So, guys, of course, this is him again, the sea dog I love. And I totally frigged up on some of it. I think my 3 is backwards, but I may be a little dyslexic. I have no idea. I used to be like super good at spelling. I don't know. I'm not dyslexic. I'm not. I mean, sometimes I have a hard time with letters too, but not as much as with numbers. So if this 3 is backwards, please tell me because I have no idea because in my mind things look right or wrong and I don't know which is true. So, but here he is. I'm going to color him, of course. My gorgeous boy, Will or Billy, William Villeneuve. He is from Sherbrooke, Quebec, and he plays on our team, the St. John Sea Dogs, in my town, St. John, New Brunswick. So he's so cute, and I'll be coloring him, of course. Like I said, I totally draw the Sea Dog logo horribly, but whatever. And yeah.